Hi, Shane Thomas here. What's up? I hope you're enjoying your day today. Today, I'm going to be going over a few more sessions in the Partner with Anthony program. This is some more of the sessions that you get in. As you can see, I'm on session 17 today. What we're talking about now in the next few sessions here is Facebook marketing. Anthony does a little bit of an introduction for his brother Adrian, who is exceptional at Facebook marketing. And Adrian is the one who's going to go through all the next few sessions with you and the modules to get you into a good understanding of what Facebook ads are. As Anthony says that he doesn't usually deal with them himself, his team or Adrian builds all his Facebook stuff. So as we get in here, aside from the introduction, you're going to get into how to build your Facebook ads account. And all this stuff is over the shoulder, watching on the computer, simple to do, easy to follow along. You can always go back and review it. It's very, very simple to do. A couple of different types of Facebook ads that are used, how to prepare your landing page for your Facebook ad, setting up the pixel. This is really key in here, getting that pixel set up on your landing pages to know where um, people are accessing your product from. That way you can track and do your analytics from it. It's very, very important to follow that stuff, because if you're just getting clicks and you have no idea where they're coming from, when they were done, but days, costs, and stuff like that, you're just beating your head against the wall pretty much. So then submitting your ad, and once you've got that ad submitted, you mark your session complete, and you're going to move on to session 18. Now, session 18, we've got, again, once you've set up your ads and you've got them running, what you want to do now is, once you get into a certain amount of clicks, you can retarget those clicks and get your ads back in front of those people that may have clicked, looked, but didn't purchase at this time. So you want to retarget them, get them back into the loop, get your ad back in front of them. So module 2, analyzing the results. This is what I was saying about with the pixel. You get your results. Facebook tracks everything. They'll tell you, what clicks were, how much it cost per click, whether the sales were made, all that sort of information, your return on investment. You can get all that information in the analytics of Facebook. This is going to explain exactly how to read those results and get an idea of what you want to do from now. If it's not working, maybe you just want to cancel the ad. If your results are bad, if they're good, then maybe we're going to talk about the next module, which is going to be scaling your product, your ad on Facebook. This is at the point of time where you've seen the results, you want to scale, and away you go. So this is all live Facebook training with Adrian. Again, exceptional at Facebook ads. The guy, makes a killing doing this, and very, very simple to follow along. He's like Anthony. I mean, he's his brother, but teaching style is very similar. So on to 19, session 19. So this is where getting into, what kind of words in copy you need in your ads. This is important. The best copy is the stuff that sells. If your ads don't sound professional, or they sound too much like an ad, that's going to make a difference. You want to make sure you have a story in there, and two different ways of um, approaching your ads: emotion versus logic. There's some people that just want the logical side of it. They want the facts. Then they'll make a decision whether they're looking at purchasing your product or not. Emotional side, that's where you're driving more into the pain of the person that's looking for maybe the product you're trying to promote, and so you're basically trying to get them to purchase because they're just excited about it. They want to get it right away. They're sure that this is going to solve all their problems. So you're writing your copy along that way. Facebook effect, that's pretty much where the Facebook is starting to see what your customers are looking for, and they're gonna the algorithm is going to pick out more along that lines and start promoting. So that's session 19 there. When we get into session 20, um, this is a pretty interesting session. Session 20, you've got a little bit of information, kind of what your net worth is. This is a kind of a good review of kind of looking at your business yourself, what everything is about. But what I really like is when you get into these other sessions down here, um, Anthony interviews particular Dan Locke and Igor Kaifetz, who, if you don't know who they are extremely well-to-do marketers in the online digital field. Igor has some different methods of doing advertising, and the interview with Dan Locke is just fantastic about um, how he kind of stumbled into some of his advertising methods and what works and what he does. Great inspirational guy to follow. And then in Module 5, we get the Digital Marketing Mastermind if you want to get into finding out a little bit more about that. There's some explanation in there. So again, lots and lots of information that's included in this course. I haven't really found any negativity about it from other people. There's obviously, like people are going to get on here and say it's a scam or whatever. Um, this is teaching you how to do digital marketing. This is teaching how to do affiliate marketing or run any business online. This is not one of those, push one button and you're instantly rich. I mean, you got to work at this stuff. The information here is incredible. I mean, if you're not doing this stuff and putting it to work, then it's on you. You're the fault for not being successful at this. This is incredible information. I mean, we're 2/3 or yeah, 2/3 the way through. There's, another 10 sessions in here to go through. Um, Once you've completed all this, you have all the information that you need to be successful, and it really is on to you. So, I'd like you to make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when the new videos are coming out, and do leave me a couple of comments. I like to look at the comments and reply if I have the opportunity to, which I usually do. So until next time, Shane Thomas, good luck with your success in affiliate marketing, and I hope you enjoy these reviews. We'll talk to you soon.